नमस्ते। नमस्ते बंगारी सर।
नमस्ते सर।
योगा ही जीवन है। इस सेकंड एपिसोड में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत। मैं राम रैना और हमारे साथ हैं योगा के गुरु चंद्रकांत पांगारे सर, जो थेरेपी योगा के भी बहुत मास्टर हैं। हम आज इस सेकंड एपिसोड में हेल्थ इशू और योगा थेरेपी ये किस तरह से हैंड्स टू हैंड चलते हैं इसके बारे में जानकारी देंगे। There are so many questions being asked us directly from the parents, even students, that nowadays there is a common problem which is happening everywhere, that is indigestion. और जो indigestion problem है, इसका सबसे बड़ा और मेजर कॉज है हमारा लाइफस्टाइल। लाइफस्टाइल के साथ क्या हम सही खाना खाते हैं, उसके साथ सर क्या हम सही समय पर खाते हैं, यह भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। लेकिन ये जो आजकल का जो सिचुएशन है, जो फास्ट लाइफ है, हम इस सब चीजों को थोड़ा सा इग्नोर करते हैं। इग्नोर करने के बाद में आपको जो सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम आता है वो है इंडाइजेशन। इंडाइजेशन के बाद में एसिडिटी, गैसेस, राइट। और इसका आपके पूरे शरीर के ऊपर, स्किन के ऊपर, हेयर के ऊपर, आंखों के ऊपर और पेट की जो चर्बी है बढ़ जाना, ओबेसिटी होना। उसके लिए हम बहुत सारे जिम करते हैं, 2 दिन करते हैं, तीसरे दिन बंद कर देते हैं, 1 दिन फॉलो करते हैं, लेकिन हो नहीं पाता। क्यों? क्योंकि आपको डिपेंडेंसी है। किसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंसी है? इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के ऊपर डिपेंडेंसी है, इंस्ट्रक्टर के ऊपर डिपेंडेंसी। तो हमने ये जो एपिसोड शुरू किए हैं वो सारी डिपेंडेंसी को हटाकर आप इंडिपेंडेंट कैसे हो जाए और आप सही तकनीक इस्तेमाल करते हुए आप किस तरह से अपने रोगों से मुक्त हो जाए, ये हमने पांगारे सर के साथ ये एपिसोड्स की जो सीरीज है हमने शुरू की है। आज जो इनडाइजेशन का जो सब्जेक्ट है उसके ऊपर हम बात करेंगे। सर, ये जो इनडाइजेशन है ये बेसिकली लोगों को कॉमन प्रॉब्लम्स के तौर पे आया है। जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि एसिडिटी होना, सर दर्द होना और गैसेस होना। तो इनका जो योगा थेरेपी है वो किस तरह से काम करती है और इससे लोगों को फायदा क्या होता है?
Sir, I will conclude this question in 3 factors. First, as per your discussion, why indigestion?
Correct.
आपने बोला समय पे नहीं खाना, सही न खाना, क्या खा रहा है, कितना खा रहा है और कभी खा रहा है। You should take your food in time,
Correct.
proper food, balanced diet, and only 50% of your requirement.
Correct.
25% water.
Correct.
And 25% for circulation of gases.
Right.
If you not follow this practice, second part, if you are not doing daily exercise due to the good digestion of that properly taken balanced diet, again this problem will come.
Correct.
That means balanced diet should be balanced, exercise should be there, and third common factor, rest.
Correct.
Proper sleep also required. Suppose you are not following one of these 3, you will have problem. If you are ignoring 2, more problem. If you are focusing on 3, major problem.
Correct.
But without any dependency, yoga will cure this problem definitely. Because in yogic posture, actually your indigestion problem is related to digestive system.
Correct.
That is abdominal part.
Right.
This central part. All the posture to cure this particular ailment is pressurizing, that is contracting, extending and twisting your stomach region.
Absolutely.
So what happened? That particular internal organs which are related to digestive system will be exercised very properly.
Great.
Due to exercise, good blood circulation, good movement, extraction, contraction will be there, and automatically the efficiency of your digestion system will be improved, and automatically the problem related to indigestion, gases and acidity will be removed definitely. Only the regular practice is required.
Correct.
No need of any instrument. You can do at your home. Only continuity is important.
Important. Absolutely right. See, when we look for a problem, so we have to look where the problem is, right? Normally, people used to, if they have an indigestion problem, so they take medicine, right? They are not curing that problem, they are increasing problems, right? And other hand, they are doing unnecessary exercise which is not directly affecting that area. So I think so, sir. I understood from the concept of yoga therapy that what you are talking about is you are actually working on that area where the problem is. That is the abdominal area. आपको अगर डाइजेशन इनडाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम पेट का है और आप हाथ पैर इधर उधर भाग रहे हैं तो आपका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व उतना नहीं होगा. तो मेरे ख्याल से आज जो हम आसना सर आप बताइए कि जिससे ये प्रॉब्लम इन जितने भी हाउस वाइफ हैं जो घर में बैठे रह सकते हैं, जो हमारे ओल्ड एज हैं वो भी आराम से कर पाए. हमारे जो बच्चे हैं आजकल ओबेसिटी लेवल उनमें बहुत बढ़ गया है. मैं जब स्पोर्ट्स ग्राउंड पर जाता हूं तो देखता हूं बहुत हेल्दी बच्चे हो गए हैं. और हेल्दी यानी कैसा, उनमें जान नहीं है, सिर्फ ओबेसिटी. और दूसरे जो यंगस्टर हैं जो ऑफिसेस जाते हैं, जो आईटी फील्ड से हैं, जो टीचर्स हैं, उन सभी के लिए आप आज 2 पोस्चर जो है इस एपिसोड में बताइए. और कौन से पोस्चर है?
Sure, sir. In yoga therapy for indigestion, there are 32 to 40 postures are there. But as time limit, in our episode, we will focus on only 2 problems. One is Dhanurasana, which is directly impact on your abdominal region. Okay, pressure due to the posture. In this indigestion problem, we have performed just Pavanamuktasana. Now we move to our second posture. The name of the posture is Dhanurasana. It is prone position. So lie down on your stomach. First step to prepare to pro. Fold your legs. Hold your ankle. Now this grip proper vital role in this posture. If grip is proper, then you can pull the legs, pick up the chest and land on your navel. And you can perform bow shape. So it is called Dhanurasana. Now inhale, exhale and lift it up. Okay, this is the basic level posture. Initially you can continue with this shape. After practicing 2-3 months you can go higher. Okay, now when will you master in that pose, then you can go still higher and lift your thighs maximum away from the ground. Now look and think about the posture. Whatever in discussion, the myth yoga can overcome this problem or not, you can understand seeing the posture. Entire pressure on your stomach because landing is on navel. Automatically the internal organs are pressurized, exercised very nicely, and the function of digestive system will be improved very nicely, and you can overcome that indigestion problem. Slowly release and stay in Makarasana. We are going to focus on indigestion problem, that is gas and acidity. Now we will start the first posture, Pavanamuktasana. So first sit in Dandasana, then lie down and go in Shavasana. This is the first step. In this Pavanamuktasana, there are 2 types. First is one leg and second is both leg. Now we will start with one leg. So any right leg up. Second step, fold it. Then grab the shin bone properly. Deep inhale, long exhale. Due to exhale, stomach will go inside due to the negative pressure. At the same time, pull the shin bone and press thighs on your stomach and chest on the knee. Due to this, in one leg Pavanamuktasana, now you are working with right leg. Right belly will be compressed very nicely. Okay, release it. Release. Now we will repeat with the down, repeat with the left leg. Left leg up, fold it, hold the shin bone, grab it, exhale and press it. Now it work on your left belly. In this, the abdominal region of left and right will compress and it is exercised so that the internal organs will be exercised and efficiency of that organ, particular organs will be improved and it affects on your digestion problem. Release. Now we will conclude this with 2 legs. Dvipada Pavanamuktasana. So lift your both leg up, fold at knee, then grab it properly. You can interlock the fingers or you can hold the elbow, but holding elbow is very much powerful because we can pull very nicely. One deep inhale, exhale, and as far as possible, press the thighs on stomach and chest on the knee. Now look, compared to one leg Pavanamuktasana, now entire belly region will compress. Entire abdominal organs are exercised due to the compression, and automatically the efficiency of that particular system, that is indigestion system, will improve. Now to color this posture, to increase the pressure a little more, inhale, elongate your neck, turn it inside and touch in between knee. Now the pressure is too much. Again, good exercise. Stay for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, in that 30 seconds, don't hold breath. Normal inhalation, exhalation continue. Now release slowly, both leg up and slowly down. If you do this posture regularly, definitely your indigestion problem will be solved forever. Thank you very much.
So much, because these all instructions are going to make a lot of difference in all listeners' lifestyle. And dear listeners, you can subscribe this channel for many other activities and episode of yoga, which will definitely help and cure various problems. Whatever the health problems you are facing, that will definitely cure by this health yoga and yoga therapy. Okay, so in next episode definitely we will meet, but write your comments how you are feeling after doing this Dhanurasana and Pavan Muktasana. Thank you so much, sir. We will meet in third episode.